Hey, we heard you guys like fidgets. Is that right? You guys like fidgets? Let's go on a fidget hunt.
Slime removal. Mommy's on slime removal. You want to be a famous YouTuber? You got to get some slime on your face, people.
New Jersey, Bergen County, Paramus, the land of 1,000 malls.
Gripman. Poppy, where are we?
I got slime.
You got slime.
It has a unicorn on it. That's why I chose it.
Poppy, where are we?
The mall.
What are we doing at the mall?
I got 2 more slimes. So that equals 3.
Where are we going at the mall? What are we doing at the mall?
Eating French fry and nuggets.
What else?
Getting toys.
Poppy is being uncharacteristically shy. We're going to the biggest mall in New Jersey, right about where that horse is. The Garden State Plaza. And what we're looking for is Fidgets. Fidgets and crazy, weird mall toys. And we're gonna see if we can find this guy. But before we can fidget hunt, we gotta hit the food court.
Who'd you get?
2 buzz.
2 buzzes? Alright, 2 buzzes.
What's up, guys? We're here at Garden State Plaza, one of the biggest malls in New Jersey, and we are going on a fidget hunt.
This whole routine over again and talk loud. It's all fun and games till it gets in your hair.
Ah! No, my makeup is ruined.
So you got a great mustache.
You need a table.
Oh, how nice a table.
Oh no! My table! It's broken! Can we not fidget?
You want to get a fidget? All right.
If you want fidgets first, you gotta get boba and
Poppy's totally right. If you're in the mall, you gotta have boba tea. Slime removal. Mommy's on slime removal. You want to be a famous YouTuber? You gotta get some slime on your face, people. Is that Pop?
this is where I got my first boba.
It is?
In it, or the bubble in it. Oh, what about the sherbet? Is that yeah, that doesn't have any like caffeine, right? Okay, perfect. We'll do like a smaller.
Is that the straw?
Yeah, I picked yellow.
Why is it so big?
Yes, it's going to be big. It's gonna be this big.
Oh, that big. Okay. Remember you said you didn't want anything.
Oh my god, it's so I got yellow like a tiny
Here we go.
They make a YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah. Is it
It's
good?
like their,
It tastes like
since
nerds.
COVID started,
Oh.
there's been-
So guys, this is the charm for your...
chubby, tiny puppy.
Yeah.
Chubby, tiny puppy.
It's a whole place just to get charms for your crooks. So let's pick some out, guys, right? Yeah, let's pick Shirley out one, don't you think? Go, Madeline.
Oh my
Voodoo's gotta have that one. Grab it for him,
Look
puppy.
at, he did grab
What
it.
is that, Pop?
The Squid Game guy.
Squid Game, yeah. Okay, I'll take that one. You guys finding any you like? There are a bunch over here, too. Endless charm. If you find one you like, just put it in the bin.
You want to hold on to it? Okay.
Peppa and George and Grandpa Shark. That is a definite yes. Alright guys, this is what we're walking away with. Pretty cool. Magical Poppy.
Alright, this is America's #1 $10 and under store, Miniso. We think it's attached to Uniqlo, which is an amazing store.
Minion Central. Bam.
I don't know what to say except that there is an entire wall of plushies this cute.
Grippy, look at me. Make that guy say something.
Hello.
I don't think it's possible to not want anything in this store. I want it all. What, Poppy?
Why did you take me? You know I have scratch problems about choosing things.
I know, I'm sorry.
Panda.
It's a panda.
Yeah.
Oh, is this We Bare Bears?
Yeah.
What is that? It's a nightlight. And then they have We Bare Bears. It does an aroma. It does a smell for you. Turtle chips. Little chibi BTS stuff. Is that a We Bare Bears face mask? Where are we? This is magical.
I don't even know how to process what I'm looking at. It's like every Avenger, every SpongeBob, every cartoon character, every anime character, keychain in the universe.
Click like and subscribe, you feral beasts.
One thing cuter than a fidget store. And it's a baby with a shirt tucked in. 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 They're dungarees. When you wear them like that, he's a baby with his shirt tucked in. Ooh, baby with the shirt tucked in. Baby with the shirt tucked in. Let's go. Ooh, now, baby with the shirt tucked in. Baby with the shirt tucked in. He's a stud. He wants everybody to know it. So he dresses like grandpa. He's a cool cat. He's got all the flow. He's a baby with his shirt tucked in. Oh, he's okay. Baby with the shirt tucked in. Baby with the shirt tucked in. He's okay. Baby with the shirt tucked in. Baby with the shirt tucked in. He's okay. Baby with the shirt tucked in. Baby with the shirt tucked in. He's okay. Baby with the shirt tucked in. Baby with the shirt tucked in. He's okay. He's okay. He's a baby with the shirt tucked in.